When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal and functionality of a property, few upgrades offer as much value as decorative windows. In Birmingham, where architectural diversity and cultural richness blend seamlessly, decorative windows are becoming an increasingly popular choice for homeowners and business owners alike. These windows not only elevate the visual appeal of a property but also provide a range of practical benefits. Here's why installing decorative windows can be a game-changer for Birmingham properties. Enhancing curb appeal. The first impression of any property is crucial, whether it's a family home in Harborne or a trendy cafe in the Jewelry Quarter. Decorative windows instantly elevate the exterior appearance of a building, making it stand out from the crowd. Designs ranging from stained glass and frosted patterns to custom geometric shapes offer endless possibilities for personalization. For Birmingham's historic homes and Victorian-style buildings, decorative windows can add an authentic, period-appropriate charm. Meanwhile, for modern properties, sleek and artistic designs can provide a contemporary twist. Regardless of the style, these windows catch the eye and add a unique character that's hard to ignore. Increasing property value. Aesthetic upgrades often translate into financial gains, and decorative windows are no exception. Potential buyers are drawn to homes with distinctive features, and decorative windows can set a property apart in Birmingham's competitive real estate market. Their ability to blend form and function makes them an attractive selling point. Beyond their visual appeal, decorative windows can highlight the craftsmanship and care put into a property. This attention to detail can lead to higher offers from buyers who value homes that are as practical as they are beautiful. Improving energy efficiency. While decorative windows are often praised for their beauty, they also contribute to energy efficiency when designed with modern materials. High-quality decorative glass often incorporates double or triple glazing, which provides excellent insulation. This is especially beneficial in Birmingham, where fluctuating weather patterns can challenge indoor climate control. Better insulation means less reliance on heating in the winter and air conditioning in the summer. Over time, this translates to lower energy bills, making decorative windows a smart investment for both residential and commercial properties. Increasing privacy without sacrificing light. Privacy is a top concern for property owners, especially in busy areas like Birmingham city centre or densely populated suburbs. Decorative windows offer an elegant solution, providing privacy without blocking natural light. Frosted, textured, or stained glass obscures the view from the outside while allowing sunlight to fill the room. This feature is particularly valuable for ground floor rooms, bathrooms, or offices where privacy is paramount. Decorative windows let you maintain a bright and welcoming atmosphere while keeping prying eyes at bay. Reducing noise pollution. Living in a bustling city like Birmingham has its perks, but noise pollution can be a drawback. Decorative windows, especially those designed with insulated or laminated glass, can significantly reduce noise levels. Whether it's the sounds of traffic in Edgbaston or lively street activity in Digbeth, decorative windows help create a peaceful indoor environment. This added layer of soundproofing enhances the comfort of a home or workspace, allowing residents and employees to focus, relax, or entertain without distractions. Reflecting personal style. One of the greatest benefits of decorative windows is the ability to reflect your unique personality and taste. Birmingham is a city of diverse cultures, and decorative windows offer endless opportunities for customization. Whether you prefer traditional motifs, abstract patterns, or nature-inspired designs, there's something to suit every preference. Business owners can even incorporate branding elements into decorative window designs. A logo or theme subtly integrated into a storefront window can leave a lasting impression on customers while reinforcing the brand identity. Promoting sustainability. Sustainability is a growing priority for Birmingham residents, and decorative windows can support eco-friendly living. Many manufacturers now offer designs crafted from sustainable materials or feature energy-efficient technologies. Choosing decorative windows that align with green practices helps reduce your property's carbon footprint while contributing to the city's broader environmental goals. Final thoughts. Decorative windows are much more than just an aesthetic upgrade. They're a practical, energy-efficient, and value-boosting investment. For Birmingham properties, these windows can harmonize beautifully with the city's unique architectural landscape while addressing modern demands for sustainability and functionality. Whether you're a homeowner looking to add a personal touch or a business owner aiming to create a memorable storefront, decorative windows are an excellent choice. With their ability to enhance curb appeal, increase property value, improve energy efficiency, and reflect personal style, they offer benefits that go far beyond the surface. Transform your Birmingham property today with the timeless charm and modern advantages of decorative windows.